This is the scene of one of the greatest recurring tragedies of the animal kingdom. The death by starvation of millions of seabirds along the west coast of South America. Most years, this tiny granite island of North Chincha is covered with them, jostling and squawking. There are sometimes 40 million breeding along the length of the Peruvian coast. But today, their numbers are reduced to less than 3 million, scattered somewhere between here and southern Chile. And it's not only the bird lovers who are lamenting the loss of this fantastic population, but these are the famous guano birds of Peru. The billion-dollar birds, someone once called them, and all because of this. Their droppings, dried in the tropical sun, make a complete natural fertilizer, said to be 33 times more effective than farmyard manure. In an average year, the Peruvian Guano Company scrapes and brushes 200,000 tons off the 45 islands and headlands where the guano birds nest. But this year, the Peruvian farmer has been told to expect only 1/8 of his order to be fulfilled. And next year, there may be none at all. For these islands have become a battleground, not for the first time. But now the very existence of the guano bird is threatened. And the worst of it is that no one really knows why.
The Pacific coast of Peru, almost the entire 1,400 miles of it, is bleak, empty desert. The only apparent signs of natural life are the flocks of birds that feed on the shoreline. But with guano, you can make corn grow in the sand, if you have enough water. And so for centuries, the guano birds have been recognized as vital contributors to the Peruvian economy. The Incas rigidly protected the birds and allocated islands to each of their provinces. They hauled guano by the llama load to their terraced farms on the mountainside. A 1,000 years earlier, the people of the desert coast carved pelican friezes on the walls of their cities and used the guano bird as designs in their tapestries and modelled them in their pottery. A Spanish chronicler writing in the 16th century tells how the natives of the coast paddled out to the bird islands in their reed boats to bring back the precious guano. It had already become an article of trade between them.